welcome to BDS Tech Lab. So this is the continuation of API concept series. In this video, we'll discuss another API concept. So let me open the PDF file. So in the previous video, we had discussed endpoint versus resources in the last video that we had discussed. And in this video, we'll discuss parameter versus query parameter versus path parameter. This is very important and very confusing. People are mostly confused here. If we ask that what is the difference between query parameter and path parameter, though this is very basics, but we should know clearly what is the difference between. So this is very simple. So query parameter, as it says that question marks is there. Path parameter, it is the part of somewhere. So let's discuss the first point. The first difference between query parameter and path parameter is their position in the URL. While the query parameter appears on the right side of the question mark in the URL, path parameter comes before the question mark. So let me show you example. See here. So this is path parameter and this is query parameter. So the first difference itself says before appear on the right side of the path parameter means query parameter appear on the right side and path parameter before the question mark. So the same path parameter, see path parameter before the question mark, this is search is the path parameter, okay, and after question mark all are query parameters, okay. So I think this point will be pretty clear. Now we'll go to secondly, the query parameter are used to sort filter resources. On the other hand, path parameter are used to identify a specific resource or resources. So here we are searching and any questions on page 2 searching. So this is that's why this is said sort or filter resources. Query parameter sort or filter a specific resource, okay. And on the other hand, path parameter used to identify the resource or resources specific actually here, okay. Now this is the second point. And third point, you cannot omit the path parameter since they are part of URL. Means path parameter is the part of URL itself, overall endpoint. On the other hand, query parameter are added at the end of the URL, can allow omission of some values as long as the serializing standards are followed. I mean, whatever the requirement, what we need to search, what we need to in the output itself, that based on that we need to add query parameter. But path parameter is part of overall resource, overall endpoint itself, okay. Now so path parameter they are part of URL. Now the fourth one, query parameter have unique attributes which help to define resource in a better way, whereas path parameter on the other hand have dynamic resources which act upon more granular object of the resources, okay. So these are the four differences, main differences are there in the practical point of view, okay. Query parameter and path parameter, okay. So before the question mark this is path parameter, and after the question mark they are the query parameter. And path parameter is part of resource, whereas query parameter we can omission based on the requirement actually, okay. So that's all about this one. We'll discuss another unique concept in the API concept series, okay. So thanks for watching. Thanks a lot.